So Edgar Allan Poe was a bit of a scientist, as well as a writer. One of the things that he wrote about is the ripple effect. Some of you might know this as the butterfly effect. Of course, you know Poe. It was hidden inside one of his poems, titled, The Power of Words. Now I'm not an English lit major, so suffice it to say the story is about how all actions, including those affected as words, can have profound long-term, non-localized, after effects. Words, like the butterfly wings, can vibrate across the universe. Here is my song.
In shadows deep, a tale unfolds, a ballad spun of words untold, of butterflies' wings delicate and small. Unfurl a dance of fate to install, with velvet touch on time's dark shore. A spectral ballet forevermore, from fragile wings and words that play, a rippled unborn, a tale to sway. Through echoes vast and spiritual, a tale of fate, its threads unfold. The smallest word, a tempest brewed, realms unseen, our lives reviewed. Oh, in moonlit verses, shadows sweep, a ballad spun in secrets deep. Through every word a world takes flight, an endless dance of fateful night. This wild storm born of passion's breath, through centuries hence a tale of death. Its flowers bloom on fulfilled dreams, its volcanoes rage where darkness teems. That clasped his hands and streaming eyes spoke it into the starry skies. A world of shadows, most haunted art, a reflection of the human heart. Oh.